Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So if you're having a problem to unblock or use Discord on your school Chromebook, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So now firstly what you will do is just simply open the Google Docs document linked in the description box below. So open that, and over there you will find two JavaScripts. So this is what you will find in the document. Now the first link is to open the Discord server itself, and the second one is to block, or to be specific, to unblock from GoGuardian School. Now the first thing that you have to do is just simply copy this JavaScript over here, copy it, then right click over here at the bookmark bar, then click on add page. Now name it Discord, and over here in the URL just simply paste that. Now open the text document again, copy the second script, create another bookmark, click on add page. Now name it Discord unblock and change the URL and click save. Now firstly what you have to do is just simply open Discord over here by clicking on Discord. Now what you have to do is just simply first right click on Discord and click on open in new tab. Now while it is loading, just simply keep on tapping on Discord unblock so it doesn't get blocked in GoGuardian. So just simply keep on hitting, and if by any chance if it actually get blocks, just simply do the process again and keep on hitting Discord unblock, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.